What if I tell you that can become a data scientist without a degree? Welcome to our channel Transform Academy. This video explains how you can enter this exciting field without a formal degree. Let's break it down step by step. First, understand what data science involves. Data science is about collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data. It helps organizations make informed decisions. Next, identify essential skills for data scientists. Key skills include programming, statistics, and data analysis. Familiarize yourself with tools such as Python, R, and SQL. These are widely used in the industry. Begin your learning journey with online courses. Websites like Coursera and edX offer affordable courses. Choose introductory courses to build your foundation. Focus on practical projects to apply your knowledge. After acquiring basic skills, work on building a portfolio. A portfolio showcases your skills and projects. Include data visualizations, analyses, and any relevant projects. This demonstrates your capability to potential employers. Join online communities and forums. Engage with platforms like LinkedIn and Stack Overflow. Networking helps you learn from experienced professionals and find job opportunities. Next, consider internships or freelance projects. Real-world experience is invaluable. Look for internships that don't require a degree. Even small projects can enhance your skills and confidence. Participate in data science competitions. Websites like Kaggle offer challenges to test your skills. Competitions also help you learn from other participants' solutions. As you grow, keep learning. Data science is an ever-evolving field. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies through blogs and webinars. Continuous learning is key. Let's visualize this process. Imagine a roadmap leading you from acquiring skills to landing a job. Each step represents an accomplishment on your way to becoming a data scientist. In summary, becoming a data scientist without a degree is achievable. Focus on learning key skills. Build a strong portfolio. Network with professionals. Don't forget to keep honing your skills. Now, are you ready to start your journey? Dive into online courses today. Take control of your future in data science. Want more insights? Check out Transform Academy's data science courses on our website using the link in description box below. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Happy learning!